They're all ready. When it's your turn, just say cheese and the camera will take a picture. Like this. Cheese! Then it pops out here. Cool.
My turn. Cheese!
Bread, cheese, bread. Cheese sandwich.
Cheese!
Cheese. Cheese.
Cheese!
Octoblock pose. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cheese!
That looks really good.
My turn.
Oops. Sorry.
Sorry. Cheese, not sneeze. Why do I always sneeze?
Sorry.
That's an idea.
Oh, that feels so much better. No more sneezing. I'm cured.
What?
Hang on.
This isn't right.
We've got the hiccups.
Oh,
It's okay. I think it stopped. Oh, I've got to get rid of these.
oh, I know how to cure hiccups. You stand on your head.
I think it's working.
Hang on, I know another one. Drink a glass of water backwards.
Harder than it sounds. Oh.
You need help.
Have no fear. Octoblock is here.
Oh.
He's got hiccups.
I know what to do. Octoblock! Boo! Sorry. That usually works.
Hiccups? Don't worry. Yes. Lucky, 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 lucky. Oh.
Oh.
Tried that.
Out of my way. Coming through. Got 6 hiccup cures for you. Let's roll. 6. Cure number 6 it is. Boo!
Jeez.
Great photo, everyone.
No more hiccups. Ah. So that's how you cure them.